It's okay?
Massage.
Let me see, okay?
I like that.
No, you don't know. Yeah, you want to hold them just like this? Okay. Okay.
What's your YouTube name? What are you sensing?
The central line. In here, the hips.
The hips are sore?
Yeah, right.
She's old.
So the right side, the back, here, and the leg. So most of the, pain is the right side. Left side is okay.
That side,
Yeah, right side, yeah. Then let me see the head. Yeah, this in here. Yeah. The nose and the head.
Chloe. Look at you.
Oh, does that massage feel good?
Dog is talk the animal language.
Yes, doesn't really tell them much.
Yeah, so this side. Okay? So
This
sometimes
side
you give
kinda
this side with a
massage.
massage. Okay? Right? This one, like this one. Yeah, right. So yeah.
Massage this side.
Okay. And then right? Okay. Right side.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.